Myth: the science of global warming is too uncertain to act on. Fact: there is no debate among scientists about the facts of global warming. The most respected scientific bodies have stated unequivocally that global warming is occurring, and people are causing it by burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas, and cutting down forests. The U.S. National Security of Sciences, which in 2005 the White House called the gold standard of objective scientific assessment, issued a joint statement with 10 other national academies of science saying, "The scientific understanding of climate change is now sufficiently clear to justify nations taking prompt action. It is vital that all nations identify cost-effective steps and they can take now to contribute to substantial and long-term reduction in net global greenhouse gas emissions." Myth: even if global warming is a problem, addressing it will hurt Americans and workers. Fact: a well-designed trading program will harness American ingenuity to decrease heat-trapping pollution, cost-effectively jump-starting a new carbon economy. Claims that fighting global warming will cripple the economy and cost hundreds of thousands of jobs are unfounded. In fact, companies that are already reducing their heat-trapping emissions have discovered that cutting pollution can save money. The cost of a comprehensive national greenhouse gas reduction program will depend on the precise emissions targets, the timing for the reductions, and the means of implementation. An independent MIT study found that a modest cap-and-trade system would cost less than $20 per household annually and have no negative impact on employment. Experience has shown that properly designed emissions trading programs can reduce compliance costs significantly compared with other regulatory approaches. For example, the U.S. acid rain program reduced sulfur dioxide emissions by more than 30% from 1990 levels and cost industry a fraction of what the government originally estimated, according to the EPA. Furthermore, a mandatory cap on emissions could spur technological innovation that could create jobs and wealth. Letting global warming continue until we are forced to address it on an emergency basis could disrupt and severely damage our economy. It is far wiser and more cost-effective to act now.